Hi guys, Phil from Marketing with AI. So I just got sent a link earlier today to say, hey, Microsoft is launching a free new website builder. All you need is a Facebook page, and you can take all your data from your business page, excuse me, and put it into a free website essentially. And somebody said, oh, is this going to affect your business? And what we need to do, I'm going to show you how to do this with Nichesss, is we need to turn these things on the head. So innovation is constantly happening, and with innovation and change, there's opportunity, and we can seize on that. We can use Nichesss to help us actually find, maybe spark some ideas and brainstorm ideas, and we can hone our business or maybe pivot our business totally. So I'll jump into Nichesss and show you what I mean. Now, if you like this kind of stuff, I share videos on a regular basis how to use Nichesss and how you can use it in this manner. If you'd like a free training course, there's a link in the description below. Click on it. It's spread over 4 days and it teaches you how to go through the basics of Nichesss in bite-sized pieces and get it to do what you want it to do. Anyway, let's jump into this. So, I've gone into the problem quiz, and what I said is how to help businesses thrive and grow using free and low-cost marketing technology. And what we'll do is we'll go through and we'll tick lots of these, because sometimes the options you think, no, that's going to be of no use whatsoever, they're the things that can spark the ideas, and you can build them into your business or build a new business around it. So let's just click on all of these. And the great thing about Nichesss is, don't forget, it's in its current form. If you buy the license now, it's totally unlimited credits, so you can play around to your heart's content, as opposed to a lot of the competitors where you're tied to very low credits. So Nichesss wins out totally on that, and for my opinion, on functionality and output as well. Anyway, let's see. Okay, so that took less than 60 seconds, and let's see what Nichesss has got for us. So what we're looking for here is like a brainstorming partner, and then we can refine the ideas and test them out in the marketplace, maybe develop them into something more substantial. So an Amazon store that sells marketing and advertising books, as you would expect. A store that sells latest marketing technologies, you could probably hone this around gadgets, etc., for small businesses, medium-sized businesses. Books on marketing management, nothing really there. Free and low-cost marketing technology, yeah, you could turn that into kind of courses, probably, strategies. An Amazon store that sells different free marketing tools that you can't sell free, can you? I don't suppose. You could sell coaching and how to use them. A book where the reader learns about the latest technology for marketing. You could do that definitely in like maybe an email newsletter. I do that, and that's quite useful. And I get good feedback from that, and I get a lot of ideas from that as well. A book where to learn about marketing, advertising, business, and you could put that in the terms of, couch that in the terms of what's happening now in 2021, 2022, because like I said, innovation is changing all the time, and this is going to get faster rather than slowing down. So the opportunities are immense, guys. Free ways to do marketing with technology. Yeah, I think you could do something with events. Anyway, let's scan down. Close. Free and low cost in big letters. Yeah. I'm not free, but I am low cost, something along those lines. A T-shirt software says it's free marketing software. We'll skip that, guys. Right, courses. This should be interesting. A course where you can teach them how to use Google AdWords, Yahoo Search Marketing, and other low-cost but effective marketing tools. You could certainly swap these around, guys, and teach them how to use the latest tsunami of advertising and AI marketing tools. I think that's a goer, definitely. Again, make it bite-sized for people. People haven't got a lot of time to consume huge courses nowadays, so make it nice and succinct. A course where they can learn how to use their skills to drive the growth of their own business. I was talking to a client this morning, and his business has grown well, and I'm putting something in place for him, which is new technology, which will identify leads that don't put their hand up and say they visited his site. That's a great one. We can build something around those. A course where students learn how to do this using social media. Lots of the more mature guys in business, the smaller businesses, they kind of flounder with social media. So there'd be something there, and you could build the social media tools, how to use social media to do, how to use artificial intelligence to help them with that. There's lots of stuff coming along there, guys. Of course, we're instructed to teach how to make a market business using telephone and email. We'll skip that. Okay, let's go down. E-com stores. An e-com store that sells products related to this topic. An e-commerce store that sells business gear like business cards, business shirts, etc. These outputs, I think I put too much information in the input field, but I wanted to make it quite defined. So an e-commerce store that sells business essentials like laptop, cash register, and office chair, etc. You could spin this to be a laptop that is designed to work with AI SaaS products, so long battery life, strong Wi-Fi signals, etc. An e-commerce store that sells technology products that will help create the business and marketing plan. Yeah, you could certainly probably use YouTube channels to do that, and then sell products on the back end. You could recommend them. Let's see what else we got, guys. And eBay listened for them to sell all the marketing technologies that they didn't know how to use, like a reseller's market. That's quite interesting, isn't it, guys? And eBay listening for a $1 bid. You could do something with that. Definitely, because then you're going to build an email list as well, I think. Guest speaker at a series of local community colleges, definitely, or Chamber of Commerce. You could definitely do that and do it via Zoom. Let's see what else we got. Electronics. A laptop device can be a video screen, a smart board, an electronic device and draw or write things in plain English. Yak. Okay, events. We'll call it quits at events because I think you've got the idea here, guys. An event where people can meet, people can play in the same and discuss how to help businesses thrive and grow using free and low-cost marketing technologies. You put this across to local businesses and use the words free, low cost. Their interest of ears prick up, because also if you make it bite-sized, then they prick up even more. An event where people are doing it right, talk about their experiences. You could do that again via Zoom. You could have people join you from around the world, which is really good. You could record it and cast it to people as a webinar so they can join at any time. Bring them onto your list. An event where they can be educated on the significance of marketing using free and low cost marketing technology. That's kind of superb, isn't it? If you pitch it in the manner that you're not the vendor of the products, and you'd be showing different products from each class and answering questions on case uses, then that would certainly work, I think. An event where they learn new marketing methods. Yeah, I don't see why not. Okay, guys, so when you do this, start off quite highly defined. If you don't get the results and the answers that you're looking for, broaden out, and take it and play around with it. So whenever you see something that is probably going to be a disruptor for a marketplace that you're in, or is just generally a disruptor, some people, your competitors think, that's bad news. Spin it on its head, turn it around, and look for the opportunities. Use Nichesss to develop those ideas and brainstorm with you. And anyway, guys, that's all I've got. I hope it's been helpful. And if you've got any questions, give me a shout. And don't forget, hop on to our little training. There's a link down below. It's totally free. It's in bite-sized pieces. There's 4 lessons at the moment. And I'll show you how to use Nichesss to generate content on the fly, quickly, efficiently, and uniquely. Okay, so I hope that helps. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.